Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. 1 year anniversary, I'm here with France, and you look stunning, amazing, absolutely awesome. I love the thumbs up, like we did right after the first procedure. So excited. This is one procedure and done. Went from zero hair, and tell us about your experience. How quickly did the year go by?
It went so fast, I feel like it was just yesterday. I had drove here from West Palm Beach with no hairline, and today, later, I have a hairline. I'm so excited.
And your clients, now you do real estate in West Palm Beach, correct?
Yes, and now I don't have to show up with a different wig each time. I can just show up with my real face and my real hair.
And just your confidence is...
Yeah. You know, I haven't worn a wig since October, actually. I went back to my photos to see. I don't need them anymore. And if I decide to wear one, it's gonna be because I choose to, not because I have to. So.
And your incision site, don't even know where it is.
I don't know where it is. It's back there.
And you wear your hair up, you wear your hair down,
Mm-hmm.
you do whatever you want with your hairline now.
Yes, I'm so excited about it.
And your friends and family, what do they say about your new hair?
I don't think they know, but they're gonna find out through this video. Guys, I did not have hair, and now I have hair.
And as we did at the end of the first procedure, thumbs up.
Yes.
We have thumbs up from Natural Transplants. Taking a look at the hair from the front. And I'm going to turn the chair so that we can look at her left side. And now I'm going to go ahead and show the hair from the right side. Absolutely just a new hairline, totally full. Everything that I expected, and it looks so natural, and I think that's the most important thing.